Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you all how to solve this puzzle. In my previous video I've solved this puzzle within 2 seconds. The link of that is provided in the description. This is basically a 8 block puzzle. If the block was more than this, the method remains almost similar. First we shall randomly arrange all these blocks. I'll try to make it as much complicated as possible. Doesn't matter how it has been arranged, it can be solved using this method which I'm going to show you all. Alright, so in order to solve this puzzle, we shall first fix the first row. That's the first row. And best way is to start with the first position from the first row. That's the one. So we all know that the white one comes in the first position. So we shall first bring that white one into the first position. Doesn't matter how you get it over there. Try to get it over there. Now we shall try to fix the second position. Over there. We can move the white block while trying to fix the second position, but make sure once the second position is been fixed, the white block comes back to its original position. We shall try to slide these blocks now. I'm randomly sliding these guys. Okay, and that's how it will look after it's done. Now we shall try to fix the third position. In case there was any random block into the third position like that, we shall try to remove it from there first. Slide it that way. Now we are going to place a random block into the first position so that the other blocks get to move. We're going to place it over there like that. I'm going to slide it, just need to place it just below the third position. Okay, now we shall remove it from the temporary place and we'll slide it in. I'll try to fix the first column. We'll go with the second position first. That block will come over there. Now we shall try to fix the third position. That block is going to come over there. Just like how we did in the previous case, we shall bring that block just next to its original position. We shall slide that block for temporary purpose. Okay, like that how we're going to do it. Slide it out, slide that up and slide it inside. So row and the column is done. The rest of the puzzle is almost solved, guys. That's it. As I've told you previously, this is just 8 block puzzle. If there are more blocks, the method remains almost similar. Just we have to solve it row and column wise. That video I might show you all in my upcoming video. If you like this video, then please click the like button, and also if you want to learn more things, not just puzzle, then you can subscribe my channel, and please do share it, guys. Thank you.